Hello! Welcome to another video that features Costa Rican history, culture, and a bit of nostalgia. Today I want to talk to you about a gem that is located in the heart of San Jose. It is a place that has seen presidents, artists, and ordinary travelers like you and me. Today we are going to talk about the Gran Hotel Costa Rica. In 1928, a law was passed to build the Gran Hotel Costa Rica during the administration of President Cleto Gonzalez Viquez with the help of businessman and Dr. Luis Palino Jimenez. The Gran Hotel Costa Rica opened its doors in 1930, and since then it has become the place where everything happened. One of its main objectives was to provide the country with a modern hotel that would attract foreign tourists. It was the first luxury hotel in the country. San Jose was growing rapidly, and this hotel became the obligatory stop for important visitors and for first-class social events. Who was the creator of the Gran Hotel? It was the work of the American architect Victor Lorenz. The hotel is an elegant and imposing building, and from the beginning, the Gran Hotel was a symbol of innovation. Its architecture is a mix of styles. It features early 20th century trends such as a bit of Art Deco influence, as well as some neoclassical features, especially in its arches and columns. It was the first four-story building in San Jose, and it was one of the few buildings that had an elevator at the time. Local people used to come to the hotel just to see the elevator in action. Located right in front of the majestic National Theater, the Gran Hotel has always been a silent witness to history. Famous guests have stayed here. Movie stars like John Wayne and the renowned soccer player Pelé from Brazil. Former U.S. Presidents Jimmy Carter and Harry Truman have stayed here. And of course, the Gran Hotel's most famous visitor was President John F. Kennedy, who was here on an official presidential visit to Costa Rica in 1963. Imagine walking the same halls as these legends. The suite where President Kennedy stayed has become a celebrated landmark, and it still retains some of the original furnishings. From its windows, you can enjoy stunning views of the city, including the National Theater. Oh, and we can't forget their amazing restaurant and bar. For decades, it was an ideal place for important meetings and unforgettable evenings. Even today, their rooftop terrace offers one of the best views of the National Theater and the bustling center of San Jose. It's perfect for having a cup of coffee and feeling part of history. The most recent renovation to the hotel was carried out by the Hilton Corporation. In 2018, Hilton purchased the Grand Hotel and made it part of its Curio Collection, a designation for unique hotels that are steeped in local history. Hilton moved the lobby from the fifth floor and turned the entire fifth floor into an elegant meeting area. In 2004, the hotel was declared an historic architectural heritage site of Costa Rica, a title more than deserved. So what makes the Gran Hotel Costa Rica so special? Beyond its design and luxury, it is a place full of stories, of historic moments, and of shared memories. It's like a bridge between the past and the present, a place where every corner has something to tell. Gran Hotel Costa Rica is part of our walking tour of downtown San Jose. You should join us for our walking tour. It's great fun. For information about pricing and availability of our walking tour, contact us now. I guarantee you won't regret it. And now, tell me in the comments below, what historical place in San Jose would you like me to visit in our next video? See you soon. Thanks for listening.